Welcome to my channel. Mao ni akong kuan guys, gigihimo nga Wing Chun wooden dummy. So this is temporary wooden dummy because of lack of materials. So I need now to buy that one of these materials for this stand for the street, because I want to look the stand street of this wooden dummy. Now guys, this Wing Chun dummy now, see, this is the left arm, right arm, and the leg. So this one, you see the movie of IP Man. Now this one, Wing Chun wooden dummy. Okay, this is the best self-defense of all the martial arts. This Wing Chun, and this is you more practice this Wing Chun wooden dummy. This one, guys. Okay, because thank you guys for watching my video.